In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add distortion effect to CapCut PC videos. If you want to give your footage a cool, rippling wave, a digital glitch, or a more energetic, warped look, CapCut makes it very easy to do. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the simplest way to find a distortion effect, place it on your timeline, and then fine-tune it so it looks clean and professional instead of overly chaotic. Start by moving your mouse to the top left corner of the CapCut interface and clicking on the Effects tab. This is where CapCut keeps its built-in visual effect library. Once that panel opens, look over to the category list on the left side and click on Video Effects. That will open the full collection of visual effects available inside the program, and this is where you'll be able to search for the distortion styles that work best for your project. Next, go to the search bar at the top of the graphics panel. Click into it, type the word distortion, and press Enter. CapCut will immediately filter the results and show you several effect options related to distortion. Take a moment to look through the available styles and choose one that fits the mood of your video. For example, you might see something like vortex distortion, which can create a dramatic swirling warp. When you find the one you want to use, click the blue plus sign in the corner of that effect's thumbnail. As soon as you do that, CapCut will place the effect directly onto your timeline as a purple effect block. Once the effect has been added, the next step is to make sure it feels polished. Click once on the purple effect block in your timeline so it becomes selected. Then move to the top right Properties panel. This is where you can control how intense the distortion appears and how fast it moves. If you want a smoother, more professional-looking result, adjust the sliders here. For example, lowering the twist slider to around 30 and setting the speed slider to about 15 can help transform a harsh or chaotic distortion into a cleaner and more refined visual ripple. This small adjustment makes a big difference, especially if you want the effect to enhance your edit without overpowering the footage. And that's it! You've successfully added a distortion effect to your CapCut PC video and customized it in just a few clicks.